To install the shoulder straps on your Nashville Pack, start by laying the pack flat with the straps on top of it. Make sure to orient the straps with the ladder lock tensioners at the bottom of the straps, pointing outward. Double check that there is a piece of Tri-Glide hardware on each string of webbing at the top of the straps. Determine the amount of space between your straps by finding the center loop on the daisy chain and counting outward from there. For most people, leaving 3 open loops between the straps is a good place to start. Now you can start connecting your straps by sliding each piece of webbing upward into their respective daisy chain loops. As you do this, make sure that the straps are an equal distance from the center loop. Next, fold the webbing down and feed it back into the Tri-Glide in the opposite direction. The webbing should both enter and exit the Tri-Glide from the bottom, so that it travels up and over the centerpiece of the hardware. You can now tweak the length of your straps by adjusting the webbing. Finally, fold the excess webbings upward and tuck them back into the far side of the Tri-Glides. This will keep the webbing out of the way, while also making the attachment more secure. Now that the top of the straps are in place, we will connect the bottom to the webbing at the base of the pack. Start by locating the webbing and smoothing it out to ensure that it is not twisted. Slide the webbing into the hardware, traveling up through the opening closest to the shoulder strap. Feed the webbing down through the other opening and pull to secure it.